Do animals perceive the world like we do? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. In this video, I wish to share with you a very sweet and funny conversation I had with a cat. This cat belonged to a boy, and this boy had a very close friend of his who would visit him often since the cat was a kitten. And the boy started seeing that as the cat started getting older, she started attacking this friend of his. And she used to go and scratch him and really hurt him. It had reached a point where the friend had started refusing to come to his house, and this boy had to actually go out to meet his friend. He reached out to me to understand the perception of the cat. When I spoke to the cat said that throughout her kitten months, this friend used to keep taunting her, making fun of her, used to tell her mean things like you should throw her in a dustbin, she's very lean, she's very weak. And though for the friend it seemed like fun, for the cat it wasn't, and she absolutely didn't like it. And as she grew older and as she became an adult, she started retaliating to this constant taunts that he used to throw at her. She also acknowledged the fact that the friend actually really loved her, and she knew that. However, she wanted to make it very clear that the taunts and the fun making and the teasing that he did in the initial days was not appreciated by her. Now, for the friend and for her human, they didn't quite understand this, because when he used to actually tease her, she didn't do anything, and by the time that she grew up and he had already stopped making fun of her, that's when she suddenly started attacking him and being aggressive with him in a way that the humans thought was aggressive. I asked her how we could resolve this, and she said that she wants him to apologize to it and not just say sorry but mean what he is saying. I conveyed this to the boy, and the boy agreed that in the initial few weeks or maybe a month or so, the friend used to keep teasing her, and then the boy actually told the friend not to do it because he didn't quite appreciate it as well, and he had stopped it. And it was only later, when the cat became an adult, did she actually started attacking him. The boy conveyed this to the friend, and also conveyed it to the cat. The boy apologized to the cat for what had happened, and he also told her that the friend will come home and apologize to her. They actually decided a time, and the friend came home especially to apologize to the cat, and he apologized to her. And after that apology, slowly, consistently, each time he visited the friend, he visited the cat and the boy, he kept apologizing, and as he kept apologizing regularly, her attacks also reduced consistently and progressively. So this is how animals perceive our world and their world. In so many ways they are different from us, but in so many ways they are very similar to us as well, and we need to respect these differences and similarities as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.